video, we're going to work on division. So if we have a problem like this that says find 60 divided by 6, we're going to use the repeated subtraction method to figure this out. So this is the method. Use repeated subtraction to find the answer. Subtract 6 from 60 until you reach 0. So you subtract 6 from 60 until you reach 0, and that's essentially what division is. So let's start with 60 and then subtract 6 from it, and you get 54. So you just keep continuing to do that. So the next one, subtract 6, you get 48. Subtract 6 from 48, and you get 42. You subtract 6 from 42, and you get 36. If you subtract 6 from 36, you get 30. And you just keep going till you can't subtract 6 anymore. So one more, I think. So now we're left with 6. This is the last subtraction, and we finally hit 0. So how many times do you have to subtract 6 from 60 to reach 0? So you just count the number that you have here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times. It took us 10 subtractions. So 60 divided by 6 equals 10. That's the answer. And that's the way to do it if you use the repeated subtraction method. And take a look at the link in the description. I have some other videos that are related to this that'll help you. And also I have ebook link that you could download and follow along with the ebook.